I'm gonna run you through the fridge setup. Right here at the back on the left side, you have the fridge, the controls of which are right here at the top. So you'll generally want to keep it between 1 and 2. If you go any lower than that, then your goods will freeze. So that's a good temperature if you have stuff that you kind of want to use on the go. There's a little window here where you can check the temperature, the current temperature, and then adjust it accordingly. So something worth noting about the fridge is that it does run on a secondary battery. So if you find yourself at a camping spot and you'll be there for a few days without turning on the car or moving it or anything, if there is a power source available, you want to attach this plugs into the back of the fridge. So you would plug that in, and then you would have this at a power source wherever you are camping. So this just keeps or helps you from draining the secondary battery when the car is not in motion. Since the fridge is running on a secondary battery, you would always be able to start the car. This is not going to drain your car battery. That being said, it is still good practice to switch it over to an AC power supply whenever you have access to it.